In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your in-car medical alert device and dashboard. Before we get started, find your device ID number on the side of your device and make sure you have your car's VIN number and license plate number handy. First, go to setup.splitsecnd.com, select Create an Account, enter your email, password, first and last name. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, click Sign Up. Once you click Get Started, you will be prompted to input your 9-character device ID, which can be found on the side of your device. Next, you'll review your service. It should be listed as active. Then click Continue. Here you'll add your vehicle. This is where your VIN number and license plate number is needed. This information is necessary to identify your car in the case of an emergency. When you are complete, go ahead and click Continue. Next, set up your driver profile. You can add a photo and the rest of the driver's information such as name, address, birth date, phone number, and at least one emergency contact. You can also identify your preferred language and list emergency medical information. Be sure to double check all of the information you provided is correct. Then click Save Driver. You can assign the driver profile to the vehicle, or you can create another driver profile if more than one person will be driving the car. You are now complete with setting up your in-car medical device. You will want to navigate the dashboard so you can familiarize yourself with the great features. Although you don't need the app in order for the device to function, we recommend downloading it just in case you can't access a computer or tablet. The free app is available for iOS and Android phones. If you need further assistance or would like to learn more about our in-car medical alert device, please give us a call at 877-522-9633.